The difference between wealthy people and everyone else doesn't begin in the bank. It begins in the morning. Before most people even wake up, successful people are already making decisions that shape their future. These 5 morning habits can transform the way you think, work, and build wealth. Let's begin. Don't start your day by scrolling through your phone. Start by asking yourself one question. What is the most important thing I can do today that moves me closer to financial freedom? A clear purpose creates a productive day. Spend just 20 minutes learning, read books, listen to business podcasts, learn a new skill. Knowledge compounds just like money. The more you learn today, the more opportunities you create tomorrow. Busy people complete tasks. Wealthy people complete priorities. Every morning, write down your 3 most important goals. Focus on work that creates long-term value, not just urgent tasks. Your body fuels your success. Exercise boosts focus, discipline, and mental clarity. Even 20 minutes of movement can improve the quality of every decision you make during the day. The wealthy pay attention to their money. Review your spending, track your savings, check your investments. Small financial decisions made consistently can have a lasting impact over time. Wealth isn't built in one day. It's built every morning. Start with just one of these habits tomorrow. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe to Wealth Theory for more business, wealth, and success strategies every week.